Welcome to our tutorial about the watch window. The auto window we saw in our previous tutorial is useful for examining the states of certain variables and properties as they're evaluated by the compiler. But the items in the auto window maintain their value only for current statements. When the program doesn't execute code used for these variables, they disappear from the auto window. This is when the watch window comes in really handy. With the watch window, you can track specific values as long as you're working in debug mode. Let's begin by running our program. We'll enter values of 2 and 3 and click Test. In the previous version of Visual Basic, you had one watch window. Now you can open up 4 watch windows at the same time. I'm going to highlight this variable, right-click, and select Add Watch. Or I can simply highlight and drag. Let's do the same for this conditional test and for the text box result. To remove all items from the watch window, you can right-click and select which items to delete, or select Clear All. In the left column is the item name, the central column shows the value stored, and the third column shows the data type being used. Let's step into. The next line of code is executed, and the value stored in integer A and the value returned by the conditional statement are in red. These are in red because they were just updated. Now you see the value stored in integer B changes. Let's click Step Into a couple more times. Now the value stored in the text property of txt result was updated. Now the execution of this block of code is finished and the watch window is grayed out. This concludes our tutorial about the watch window.